Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing a drawer unit on our Holman shelving, so let's get into it. All right, we're going to be installing a 3-drawer unit, but there are multiple variations of this drawer available. I think there's a 4-drawer and so on. There's different sizes and things like that. So installation is going to be basically the same, no matter the size of the unit or the number of drawers and things like that. So we're going to be installing a 3-drawer unit, and this is actually a 32-inch wide shelf by 43 inches high, installed in a 2016 Ram ProMaster City. But again, this is going to work the same in any vehicle, basically on any size shelf. So the first thing obviously is going to involve some planning. Where are you going to put this? Obviously we've got a nice little spot right here that we reserved for it on our shelf. We just installed this small parts bin. We installed these dividers down below. Now we're ready for our drawer unit to go right in here next to it. We know it's going to be a nice fit. So the way that this drawer unit attaches to the shelf is there's actually 4 bolts that are included in the kit that tie into pre-threaded locations on the bottom of the drawer. They're going to go through pretty much existing holes already on this shelf unit. So I'm going to hop back into the van and we'll get this in place. Okay, so I've got my hardware right here. Again, it's just these bolts with a Phillips head on it. 4 of them. It's already got some blue Loctite on it from the factory. So I'm just going to slide this in place and we'll find our holes. It's a nice tight fit. I had to pry this little metal from this parts bin over a little bit to get it in there. I'm just gonna look underneath here, and I do have alignment on the holes. So there are already existing holes on the shelf from the factory. So we're gonna go through a hole into this bottom of the shelving unit. Now, if you're doing something custom, you're putting this kind of in an irregular position or whatever, you can do that. You can put holes in here in the bottom of the shelf to make it work. You aren't necessarily locked to those positions. In fact, even with these dividers here, Holman says you can put your own holes in essentially for these dividers. So make it work for your trade, make it work for you. You only got to install it once, you got to use it every day. So we're gonna go ahead and put this hardware in now. I'm just gonna get these loosely threaded right now. Be careful not to cross thread them. Then we'll come back later and tighten them all up nice and good. So again, the only tool you need to install this is a Phillips head screwdriver. So pretty simple here. Just gonna tighten these all up so they're nice and secure. Gonna give this a good shake test. Make sure it's not sliding around. There we go, we got a nice little drawer unit here. Locking drawers that keep them in place, they don't come out while the vehicle's in motion. Little tab here. These are super nice drawers. I mean, these got kind of high quality ball bearing slides on them, so it's almost like a nice toolbox like you'd have in your garage or your shop. So very nice. They even have these dividers in the top 2 drawers. Come with it for dividing parts. If you don't want it, take it out, put down some little rubber padding down there if you want to. There you go. Easy install, 4 bolts and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, if you're looking for this drawer unit or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.